Living your life your way with an entrepreneurial lifestyle with freedom and liberty is the ideal for so many of us. And it's tough because there's times when we feel put down and we're hurt, but we learn a lot from watching others who have lived before us and done it successfully. One of my heroes that I want to share with you today is Madam C.J. Walker, a pioneer in entrepreneurial living, the first female multimillionaire in America. And she is the person that we're going to talk about on this video.
Welcome to Agorapreneurs, the place where liberty-loving entrepreneurs hang out. Terry Brock is your guide to a world of living life as you want. Come and learn about being an entrepreneur, living in liberty, with lessons from great entrepreneurs. And now, here's your guide, Terry Brock.
Thank you for joining me today. There's a lot of opportunities we have when we live our lives the way of entrepreneurs, like Madam C.J. Walker. She's a person that I have admired for many years since I just first heard about her long ago. I found out that she was a person who had been, as you can imagine, back in the 1860s, treated not so kindly. She was not a slave. She was born 2 years after slavery had ended, and she was a person who went out and had to work extra hard, making sure that things are working right and that she could get by and do it well. What she did is she was able to put her life together. As a matter of fact, I saw a video. You might have seen this. If you haven't, I'd encourage you to check into it right now. It's a movie that's out on Netflix called Self-Made. Right over here on Netflix, you see it, and it's a really nice one here. I can play it just so you know how on Netflix, when you look over here, we can see right there. This is a great little video that you can look at, and you can learn and be inspired, be encouraged, sometimes cry, sometimes laugh. A wonderful video I would encourage you to take a look at. But also what you might want to do is to go over and take a look at her Wikipedia page, because on that we get a chance to see a lot of things. Matter of fact, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get right next to her. We can do this through the magic of technology. Come over here and we'll take a look at Madam C.J. Walker, because who she was is a woman that was really nothing short of amazing. She was born Sarah Breedlove, December 23rd, 1867, and she died May 25th, 1919. American entrepreneur, philanthropist, political, and social activist. She is recorded as the first female self-made millionaire in America in the Guinness Book of World Records. This lady is one who you can learn from. I know I sure have as an entrepreneur, just seeing what she did, how she did it, and you can only imagine the kind of challenges that she had in her day living like that, because there was so many things going on and the kind of abuse. But we learned some things in watching that movie. Number one, she overcame the pain. Oh, she felt it and she cried, but she overcame the pain that was there. As an entrepreneur, you're going to have that. You're going to get knocked down. I know I sure have many times. In my history, I've been speaking now as a professional speaker for about 36, 37 years, and I've spoken in 44 countries so far and counting, but I see that there's always the inevitable setbacks. There's inevitable things that get you down. That happened to Madam C.J. Walker. But she didn't let it stop her. She let it become more of a determination of, well, I'm going to get back and do it. Number two, she kept learning. She kept learning all the time, learning new skills, new ways to get along with people, new creative ways to get around, even when things were really, really tough. And then the third thing that she did, she never gave up. She kept learning and she never gave up. She had that persistence that stayed there. That's what I would encourage you to do. As you're facing an entrepreneurial life, an agorist lifestyle, which means a lifestyle of living in freedom and liberty, and you believe strongly in not being coerced by others, living your life abundantly in your way. I encourage you to do that, and I encourage you to check out what's available with Sarah Breedlove, also known as Madam C.J. Walker, and what she did, and take a look at it. I'm Terry Brock. Thank you so much for joining me today, and please leave a comment below and share this with others, because we know there are many others that can benefit from the life of the amazing Madam C.J. Walker. Thank you for being with us today.